Are you passionate about computer applications? Do you dream of a career which will shape, enhance and create your digital future for you? Look no further than the Bachelor of Computer Applications. Let's have a glimpse of it.
As students of our BCA department, we are thrilled to share our journey and knowledge for mastering the fundamental of languages like C, C#, Java, Python. Diving into the complication of SQL, we not stop there. We explore realms of CMA, PHP. From dynamic web developing, we use the data science and artificial intelligence.
Our computer lab provides 100+ system with well-equipped technology to support your learning journey. Each lab is connected with latest technology with high-speed internet connection to provide enhanced coding skills.
We all need a break from our classrooms and labs, isn't it, guys?
Yeah.
Yes. Through RDX Department 2.0, students take up various roles and responsibilities to conduct flagship events such as Metacourse, Bootstrap, guest lectures and various workshops which helps to enhance the practical knowledge of the students.
Adventures are better when it is shared with the class buddies. So we visited Mysore, Cyberverse company and JVM company etc. with additional fun activities which we enjoyed.
Moving on to the certificates provided to the students with zero cost, such as AI, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity and many more, which helps you to boost your resume.